in the high in the sky, fly, high.
Alright, it's time for a giveaway. We've got 130 entrants into the contest through not Facebook, fuck Facebook, through YouTube and Instagram, through posting the story and your feed and all that. I appreciate everybody who helped out and posted. I did let one guy in after the contest closed, Weird Beard. He was my first giveaway winner and reminded me that I still have to do the announcement tonight, so y'all thank him for getting this in hopefully before midnight. Anyway, if there's nothing else, I'm going to hit the button over here and it's going to generate a number. It's not number 43 unless RNG gods are in your favor, whoever number 43 is. Here we go though. Number 97. Boom. APVDroneCrew. Congratulations, you get a custom 3D print from me, designed by me, and printed right here in the stack.